The world is a stage. The stage is a world of entertainment.
And now, the California Exposition in St. Clair presents the Amazing Sparx Audio Adventure Show! Thank you very much. My name is Sparx, Tony Palermo. I'm a sound effects artist, and I work in Hollywood doing... Wait, hold on, there's a sound effect at the door. Let me just make sure that I... Oh, there is a sound effect at the door. In fact, it's like one of the first sound effects I ever had as a kid, and maybe you too, right? It's a slide whistle.
Oh, look, Jimmy, I can do this.
I can even play like a scary kind of a spacey kind of a thing with it. So a slide whistle can do that kind of stuff, right? But I got a hands-free slide whistle. In Hollywood, I'm a sound effects artist, and I work primarily in radio. In films, there's sort of a related discipline called Foley. You'll see Foley artists, named for Jack Foley, who would try to reinforce the reality that's filmed in a show. And so if it's mostly what they do are human sounds, door knocks, footsteps, fights, plates, and that. But I will also explode spaceships and have carnivorous space cattle and sink pirates and explode anything I need to. If I have a sound, we need to do it in real time on radio because we're live often. And so for that, if I needed to have the sound of, say, this. Oh, thank you, doctor. Oh, I feel so much better. Yes, that's right. We'll use a mechanical device. And these come from like the 1940s. This is an old CBS creaker style done with rope and rosin and a dowel with a tuner for it. It helps to be inventive because you never know what they're going to ask for.
Sparx, we got an emergency here.
Yeah.
Rollo, the tap dancing dog, just broke his leg.
Oh, I can do a dog break.
I need you to sub for him.
I can do a dog break.
You have to do a tap dancing dog.
Tap dancing dog.
We're typing in the music from Studio A.